Hey guys, so today we're doing some low sodium fried chicken. What you're going to want to do first is get your chicken, whatever pieces you're going to use, and I used 1 cup of buttermilk, and you're not even going to use near any of that, but I left my buttermilk to sit on my chicken overnight so that it gets nice and tender, gets in the fibers, and then it leaves a nice coating for what we're about to do. Alright, so this is the seasoning, and it's going to be in the ingredients below. I did use no salt. So please, like I'm going to state at the end of the video, please don't use it unless you like it, because it will give it a strong flavor in the chicken. You're going to also need 1/2 cup of cornstarch for those 2 pieces of chicken, and a plastic bag to shake it up. And we're going to go ahead and turn on our oil here and get it warm. Alright, after we've seasoned our chicken, we're going to put it back into the buttermilk one more time, but here we've only used half of our seasoning because we're just going to season the chicken and then we're going to put it in the cornstarch and mix it up with the cornstarch. And like I said, we're going to dredge the chicken back into the buttermilk. And these are some pretty big flat pieces. They were like a tiny piece of a chicken breast, and I flattened it out and put it in there. That way they made like 2 chicken patties, and you'll be surprised how much meat goes a long way. And there's seeds. I'm just showing you the excess buttermilk that we have here. You're not going to use anywhere near all that because buttermilk is high in sodium, but we're not going to use all that. It's just to tenderize the chicken and to use it as a coating. And then we got the chicken in the bag and we're going to shake it up and then put it in the hot oil. Make sure the oil is hot enough. Do a little test before you put it in there. The whole chickens, because you don't want to ruin it. And here we go. We're putting all the rest of the chickens in there. Chicken. I think it's chicken. And we're just going to cook them until they're golden brown. Now be careful. Oil is really hot, and do not use your hands unless you've been doing this a while, because it will burn you. So disclaimer, do not put your hands near the hot oil unless you've been cooking a while like me, and you know what you're doing, because you will burn yourself and it will splatter up on you. So be careful, because all that moisture from the buttermilk is going to get in that hot oil and it's going to start popping. So be careful what you're doing. See how it's already turning that beautiful golden color? That's what we want. And it's going to be super crispy and it's going to be delicious. Well, you're going to want to do about 1 to 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how big your chicken is on each side. If you do large pieces, please cook it on a lower oil heat and cook it longer, because you do not want to eat raw chicken. See, there we go. You can get some side footage there, seeing how well it's crisping on both sides. And we're just going to turn that chicken over with a little fork there. That's all you need. You don't need nothing fancy to really make the chicken or do anything with the chicken, you know? Now it's time to take the chicken out, because it is done. I can see that it's done from here. Alright. And look how crispy that is. Look at that shell. Look at everything. Your family is going to love this. You're going to love this. And one of those pieces is just enough for one person. 1 cup of cornstarch is usually 12 milligrams of sodium. We only used 1/2 cup, so that's 6 milligrams. Plus whatever buttermilk that you did use. And usually 1 cup of buttermilk is what I used, is 230 milligrams of sodium. But we didn't even use anywhere near that. And look how delicious this chicken is. Look, it's fried, it's crispy, it's golden, and I'm eating it, testing it, and I can't stop eating it. Look at myself. Look, I'm such a little chunk over there trying to get all these little crunchy pieces because they just taste so good. Alright, there we go. And as you can see, I'm about to show you the no salt that I used. If you use this, please be careful, like I said. Also, ask your doctors, because it is potassium chloride. It has a bitter taste to some people. I like it, some don't. So, it's probably better that you don't use it, but again, I also gave you an option to use it if you want to. Like I said, I don't know why I keep showing it. Stop showing it. I think I said something else. It's okay. But here's the fried chicken. Why am I showing it again? See, I had a voiceover already, but look at that chicken still cooking. Isn't that beautiful? Can you see that? But it's, I didn't turn my mic on, so it didn't work. So I'm just sitting there babbling and talking to myself. But yeah, so here's the chicken right there. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Please leave comments below on next recipes you'd like to see from me. Alright, and again, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notifications button so you know when my videos pop up. My new tripod still didn't arrive. I don't know why Amazon's being late, but they are. But it's okay. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. And we're out. Bye!